Welcome to our YouTube channel, Information Explorer. In this video, we will explore the ultimate food fusion experience. How to elevate your cooking with mixed cuisine recipes. Introduction to food fusion. Welcome to the exciting world of food fusion. If you're a food enthusiast looking to elevate your cooking, food fusion should be your next stop. This culinary art combines elements from different culinary traditions to create new, exciting dishes that are delicious, innovative, and a feast for the eyes. The concept of food fusion is not new but has gained significant traction in recent years as chefs across the world experiment to create unique, delicious dishes. Food fusion is the melting pot of the culinary world, bringing together flavors, techniques, and ingredients from different cultures. This fusion creates mouth-watering dishes that are hard to resist. It is like a symphony in your mouth, where different notes come together to create a beautiful melody. And the best part? There are no rules. You can mix and match as you please, letting your creativity run wild. The art of food fusion can be as straightforward or as complex as you want it to be. You can start by merely adding an ingredient from another cuisine to your traditional dish, or completely deconstructing a dish and building it from scratch with influences from different cuisines. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always deliciously surprising. The origin and evolution of food fusion. The concept of food fusion is as old as civilization itself. Whenever cultures collided, whether through trade, exploration, or conquest, they exchanged not just goods and ideas, but also food. This exchange led to the birth of food fusion. For instance, when the Spanish conquered the New World, they introduced Europe to tomatoes, potatoes, chocolate, and maize. This led to the creation of dishes that we now consider traditionally European, like Italian pasta with tomato sauce or Belgian chocolates. In more recent times, food fusion has evolved from a necessity or byproduct of cultural exchange to a conscious, intentional culinary movement. The term, food fusion, itself came into mainstream use in the 1970s when chefs in California began combining local ingredients with those from different parts of the world. This gave birth to California cuisine, one of the first intentional food fusion movements. Today, food fusion has taken the culinary world by storm. Chefs across the globe are experimenting with different cuisines, creating innovative dishes that challenge traditional boundaries. From sushi burritos to kimchi tacos, food fusion has given us some truly unforgettable dishes. The benefits of mixing cuisines. Mixing cuisines in food fusion has several benefits. The first and most obvious benefit is the creation of new, unique dishes. By combining elements from different cuisines, you can create dishes that are fresh, innovative, and exciting. This not only makes the dining experience more enjoyable but also expands your culinary horizons. Secondly, food fusion can lead to healthier dishes. By combining elements from different cuisines, you can create dishes that are balanced in terms of nutrition. For instance, you can combine the high protein content of certain dishes with the rich vitamin and mineral content of others. Lastly, food fusion promotes cultural exchange and understanding. Food is a significant part of any culture, and by exploring different cuisines, you get to learn more about different cultures. This can foster a sense of respect and appreciation for other cultures. Popular food fusion cuisines around the world. Food fusion has given rise to several popular cuisines around the world. Some of the most popular ones include Tex-Mex, a fusion of Texan and Mexican cuisines, Indo-Chinese, a fusion of Indian and Chinese cuisines, and California cuisine, a fusion of local Californian ingredients with influences from different cuisines. Another popular food fusion cuisine is the Franco-Vietnamese banh mi sandwich, which combines French baguettes with Vietnamese ingredients like pickled carrots, daikon, and cilantro. Then there's Hawaiian poke, a fusion of traditional Hawaiian and Japanese ingredients to create a refreshing, delectable dish. Food fusion has also given rise to dishes that are now considered classics, like spaghetti bolognese, which is a fusion of Italian and American cuisines, and chicken tikka masala, a fusion of Indian and British cuisines. Tips to successfully fuse different cuisines. Fusing different cuisines can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it can also be challenging. Here are a few tips to help you successfully fuse different cuisines. Start with what you know. If you're new to food fusion, start by adding elements from a different cuisine to a dish you're familiar with. This can help you understand how different flavors work together. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of food fusion is that there are no rules. Feel free to mix and match as you please. Balance is key. While it's essential to experiment, it's equally important to maintain balance. Ensure that no one flavor overpowers the others. How food fusion enhances cooking experiences. Food fusion enhances cooking experiences by pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the kitchen. It encourages creativity and innovation, making the cooking process more exciting and rewarding. Furthermore, food fusion helps expand your culinary skills and knowledge. As you explore different cuisines and experiment with different ingredients and techniques, you learn more about the culinary world. This can help you become a better, more versatile cook. Finally, food fusion makes cooking more enjoyable. There's something incredibly satisfying about creating a dish that's completely unique and delicious. It's like creating your own culinary masterpiece. The role of food fusion in modern culinary arts. Food fusion plays a crucial role in modern culinary arts. It has pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the kitchen, leading to the creation of new, innovative dishes. Many modern chefs consider food fusion an essential part of their culinary repertoire. Moreover, food fusion has helped make the culinary arts more inclusive. It has broken down traditional culinary boundaries, allowing chefs from different cultures to showcase their talents and cuisines on the global stage. Finally, food fusion has helped redefine the dining experience. It has made dining more exciting and enjoyable, offering diners the chance to explore different cuisines and flavors in a single meal. Top food fusion recipes to try at home. There are countless food fusion recipes you can try at home. Some of the most popular ones include sushi burritos, a fusion of Japanese and Mexican cuisines, chicken tikka masala, a fusion of Indian and British cuisines, and spaghetti bolognese, a fusion of Italian and American cuisines. If you're looking for something more adventurous, you can try making a kimchi quesadilla, a fusion of Korean and Mexican cuisines, or a banh mi sandwich, a fusion of Vietnamese and French cuisines. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always deliciously surprising. Learning food fusion. Cooking classes and resources. If you're interested in learning more about food fusion, there are plenty of cooking classes and resources available. Many cooking schools offer classes on food fusion, where you can learn about different cuisines and how to combine them. Additionally, there are countless cookbooks and online resources dedicated to food fusion. One such resource is Tastebuds Kitchen, which offers a wide range of food fusion recipes and cooking tips. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, Tastebuds Kitchen has something for everyone. The future of food fusion in gourmet cooking. The future of food fusion in gourmet cooking looks promising. As more and more chefs experiment with different cuisines, we can expect to see more innovative, delicious dishes. Moreover, as diners become more adventurous and open to trying new flavors, the demand for food fusion is likely to increase. In addition to this, food fusion has the potential to make gourmet cooking more accessible. By breaking down traditional culinary boundaries, food fusion allows anyone with a passion for food and creativity to create gourmet dishes. Conclusion. In conclusion, food fusion is a thrilling culinary journey that allows you to explore different cuisines, flavors, and cooking techniques. It enhances the cooking experience, making it more creative, rewarding, and enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned cook looking to elevate your cooking or a food enthusiast wanting to try something new, food fusion is a culinary trend worth exploring. So why wait? Start your food fusion journey today, and who knows, you might just create your own culinary masterpiece. Please like and subscribe Information Explorer. Thanks for watching.